Hello guys, today I'm going to review another pocket knife. This is a Victorinox folding knife, pocket knife. It's a famous Victorinox, but a small version. Okay, this is Victorinox MiniChamp. Okay, uh, the name being the mini, it is very small. Okay, let's take a look. It's a Victorinox, and the paper in it have a regular Victorinox plastic scale one, which have a ballpoint pen and just say tweezers and lots of things they can store inside the scale, but it has a thickness. Okay. Uh, the makers of the original Swiss Army knife at the back, and look at uh, the function of these tools. Have 16 functions. Wow. Okay. Here, let's see. Let's read. I always wondered about Victorinox guarantee warranty they put out. Victorinox guarantee all knives and tools to be first class stainless steel, and also guarantees a lifetime against any defect in material and workmanship, and 2 years for electronic components. Damage caused by normal wear and tear, misuse, or abuse are not covered by this guarantee. Okay, so basically, Victorinox covers any of the knife defects. If it was wrong from the factory, they will cover it for lifetime. But 2 years for the electrical components like LED flashlights. And if you abuse or misuse a knife and you break it, they will not cover the knife. So be careful for not to, intentionally break or use the knife in wrong recommended way. So if you break it, they don't care. Now this is MiniChamp. You guys, let's see how small this is. It's tiny knife. It's 58 centimeters. 58 millimeters, and the thickness very small. I really like about it. It's 10 millimeters, so it's 1 centimeter thickness and almost 6 centimeter of the height of the long. Okay, it's very thin. It just falls in the pocket easily, and it looks really nice. Doesn't scare people. And if you want to carry a knife in the city or office, I think this is very good one for carrying it. Okay. This is a cuticle pusher. When you push the cuticles, or you just scoop out some medication that has to be stay clean. Of course, this has to be clean also. So doesn't really mean anything. But if you have alcohol besides you can just wipe one, and you can scoop out the medication or anything, something like that. Scoop out. And the next one is this one. Okay, is a flat screwdriver and a ruler that have inches and centimeters and have flat screwdrivers. And okay, have an orange pillar. I love orange. Okay, you can peel the orange skin, and the shift foot blade. Oh, oops. A nail file or nail cleaner. scissors and bottle opener and wire stripper, which doesn't have any of the blade in it. See that? Just cut out. It's just a cut out for the. I'm not sure why it's a blade wire stripper. Has to be a kind of sharp corners to strip the wire. I'm not sure if this works. And screwdriver in Phillips screwdriver, and in the document here it says it's magnetic. Here you can see, yeah, it's a magnetic. Okay, so it will see, this is still, oh yeah, it is. I can feel. Yeah, it is magnetic, but it doesn't really catch on things. Oh, this is too heavy. I don't have a small screw. Maybe I should, just use this blade for a second. Oh, look at this. It's a magnet. Yeah, it is. Very good. Yeah. Who could thought of that? You could. This is where manufacturing company should consider on the. This is very little detail. Company might forget or just ignore, but Victorinox, this company, just cares people, and they produce things that could be used in real life, and they just produce really good products. Okay, this could be really nothing, but magnetizing this Phillips head screwdriver means a lot to me. Okay, so being this screwdriver magnetized, I feel very I can trust this little tool to be used in real life. You can't just punch out blades and just heat treat badly and just assemble it and send it out and under the name Swiss. But they represent the country. This product represent the company. So this little detail, just I really like these little details about this tool. So yeah. And another knife with the spear point knife, on the back of knife. So 2 knife, 1 scissor, Phillips head screwdrivers, and flat head screwdrivers, orange pillar, everything. You got everything you need except for the the cork screw. But but who needs does that in office? Just this is EDC, just perfect EDC item. I mean, just carry this for a while, and just really light too. It's not heavy. It doesn't feel bothersome in the pocket. It just feels great. The price is a little expensive. It's between $35 and $40. But it's worth it, definitely worth it. It's made in Swiss, and the manufacturing quality is flawless. Okay, it's just really well made pocket tools, put it in small scales, and just very good attention to details. Yeah, good job, Victorinox. Yep, I'll carry this in my pocket for a while. I hope you guys find it useful too. Okay, I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.